Let's make this premium Nigerian soup called Ogbono soup. To a pot, add protein of choice. I'm using beef and goat meat. Add onions, Cameroun pepper as it gives a nice taste. Add beef bouillon seasoning. The list of ingredients is in the description bar below. And salt. Cook on medium heat for around 10 minutes to allow the meat to release its wonderful juices. After 10 minutes, add enough water to cook the meat until tender. Once the meat is tender, add dry fish. The ogbono which I already blended, add some palm oil. The goal is for the ogbono to completely dissolve, and this will ensure that when you cook your ogbono soup, it turns out slimy. That's exactly what we want. The slimier, the better. Cover and allow to simmer for around 10 minutes. To take your ogbono soup to the next level, I will be adding Uziza seed and Dawadawa. This combination, so delicious. You need to give this a try. Blend together until smooth. And at this point, remove the ogbono. Add the blended Uziza and Dawadawa mix. Put back the ogbono. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. And at this point, the ogbono has completely dissolved. Remove it and set it aside. Add some Hake fish, or panla as we call it in Nigeria. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Add the dissolved ogbono. Mix together. Add enough water. Add grounded crayfish. And mix together. At this point, if you're using vegetable, that's if you like vegetable in your ogbono soup, you can add. But I usually don't like vegetables in my ogbono soup. So, simmer for around 10 minutes. And voila! Your ogbono soup is ready to be enjoyed. This is so delicious. You need to give this a try. Uziza seed and Dawadawa combination in your ogbono soup. Don't forget this step. Thank you for watching if you've watched the video up to this point. And until next time, remain blessed.